Okay, Nate, we're back at Qld Raceway and you're driving for the first time. How excited are we?
Very, but like nervous at the same time.
Yeah, that's all right. All right, we're second in the queue behind Kingsley.
Yep.
Ready to rock and roll. Got a few cars back there. We're about to be released for, how many hours are we getting tonight, Nate?
5.5.
5.5 hours of track time. Magic, great for Nathan, the first time in the seat on Qld Raceway. All right, we're about to go. Woohoo! Released 40k an hour through here. Had a bit of a feel of the car here. You realise you're already doing 90 just fucking around?
Yeah, I know. I feel like I'm going fast, so I like it.
We're away. The first run.
Yeah.
Here we go, Nate. Start out wide for us. Just drive and have a bit of a feel. That's it. No brakes, just drive. Turn it a bit rough and go into it. Put a foot into it. Go, put into it. Again. Go, do it again. That's it. Go. That'll do. How was that? You got a bit of wiper action?
Yeah.
You got a bit of a slide there and you held onto it. Slow down here and we'll get the instruction to go through. Hey, that wasn't bad for your first game, eh? Thumbs up. Run number 2, Nate. Here we go. Slow down. Yeah. Now hold first. Go. Into it. Go. That's right. Go. Go. It's gentle coming back on, so you didn't do that, yeah? Alright. This time, balance the power off a bit. Balance the power off a bit. Go. Balance that power. Go. Your first lose.
Yeah.
How'd that feel?
Interesting. Wish I had more power.
Ready to catch. Catch. That's it, better. Swallow it, throw it, go. You do it again. Right to that corner, then have another go. Go again. Go. Better. Go again. Good. That's it, keep going.
That was fun.
That was a nice 360, Nate.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, Nate. Try and balance it through that corner this time, yeah?
Yeah.
Slow down a bit. Catch. It's not a bad try. Okay, up it. Up it. Up it. That's good. That's all right. That's all right. Come over there and turn up higher. Magic! Dave, how'd that feel?
Oh, so good.
Heaps of fun?
Yeah.
How's it feel going sideways?
So fun.
Super fun. I think you've wrecked this tyre. Oh yeah. It's got dangly bits. I don't think that's meant to happen.
No, that one's fine though.
This one's fine.
That one on the other side.
Oh, this is alright too. It's just for that bit there.
Someone could just hang off it.
Alright, we'll change that. We'll go again. We'll go again, Nathan. Just speed here, but don't drift here. Save it. Save it for over there, son. This time you're going to catch it. Alright, don't for it too much. Just get it out there and go, Dick. That's it. Catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it. You did it! That'll do. Back off, back off, back off, back off. That's fine. Leave it at that. Well done, well done. You did it.
Yeah, I did it.
How'd that feel?
Good.
Yes. Well done. We build on that, yeah?
Yeah.
Well done, man. Good job. Good job. Alrighty. Here we go again. Ah! Concentration on that face. Steady. Steady here. You did it!
I did it!
You did it!
I did it!
Like a pro!
Woo!
Well done!
Oh my god!
That was awesome!
That was awesome.
See how you did that with more control?
Yeah.
Well done, well done, well done. 100%, Nate. Righto, champion. Can you do that again? Nate is coming along in leaps and bounds. Bummer. Thank you. Righto. Just what you got. Steady here. Pick up a bit of speed. Bit of speed. Make sure you're over there. And turn across and ready to catch that. And catch it. Catch it, catch it, catch it. Balance, balance. Keep going. Get a bit of speed up for the next corner. Do it again. Over to the right. Into it, into it, into it. Up it! That's it, that'll do. Again. Off it. Where are you going?
I don't know.
Slow down, red light. Come on, slow down. Let's wait for this light to go green. That was insane ride, Nate.
Interesting.
Hey?
Really interesting.
Tang slapper all day long. Here we go again, Nate. Well done, Nath.
Thanks.
Well, good control. Good control. Very good. Steady on at the start, son. Build up to it.
I so want to drift that.
I know, but you'll lose it there and it's bad. Through here. Build up some speed. That's it. Nothing wrong with that, son. More speed, more speed, more speed, more speed. That's it. Catch it! Oh, yeah. Hey! Woo! Yes! Woo! That was awesome!
That was awesome!
Well done. And we're away for another awesome run. Can you do it again?
Huh?
Can you do that again?
Yeah.
We lost it.
That was so close.
So close. Build up for this one. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. More, 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 more. More, more, more. That's it. That's all you got. Nice try.
That was so close.
So close. Yet so far. We're going to do 3-6 the first time. Yeah?
Yeah.
You're going to line up with the big boys.
Yeah.
One thing I'll tell you,
Yeah.
don't drift the first corner.
Yeah.
There's sand there. Okay?
Yeah, it's bulked and then.
Yeah, then that'll
Game
be
over.
embarrassing. Embarrassing.
Yes.